In this video, I want to go into some of the more advanced options you've got when you're adding products to your catalog. We've added our first one here, the big oval platter. Let's go over and take a look. Now, when we go to products here, you're going to see our first product. And you'll see a listing of all your products here. You'll be able to sort them by categories and so on. Let's go into big oval platter then. And there's what we entered so far. Now, what are some of the other things you can add? Well, product tags, these are very important. For example, it's like a subcategorization of things. I like to think of it as the index in a book. Categories are the table of contents. Index gets you more specific and allows people to cross-reference items across your catalog. So anyway, you can add those in there. And down below here, we have variations. Now, these are things like color, sizing, all those sorts of things. I'm going to leave that to a separate video because it's fairly complicated and quite sophisticated, but it's going to take up a whole video just in itself, maybe a couple. All right, there's our products over there. Now, this is an odd one. Off-site product link. It's very handy, very powerful. It's just very odd, especially the fact that it's way up top here. Again, you can move these boxes around. Like I could drag this one down below this box here and switch places, which personally I would do. I would rearrange this screen. All right, what is an off-site product link? Well, the example they give here is, let's say you have an MP3 that's available on iTunes. Of course, you can't sell it directly here. You've got to get them to iTunes. Well, this is where you put your external link. Maybe maybe all of your products are like this. They could be all affiliate items, for example. You could be selling an affiliate item over here and an affiliate item over there. This is where you would put the external link for it. So it actually overrides, if you put something in here, it's going to override the buy now and add to cart links, just so you're aware of that, okay? It's an either or. You know, you're either selling this somewhere else or you're selling it here. So just be aware of that. This isn't kind of like an extra information link or something like that. This is literally, I'm going to take you off-site in order to buy this product. All right, additional description. Let's see where this actually goes. Let's see exactly where that pops up. When I go over here to our big oval platter, this is more description. Interesting. So it goes right below your main description, which is a little bit odd. You could always potentially move that using your style sheet or your actual templates for the WP e-commerce theme. It has its own theme, by the way. It's kind of like a sub-theme within your theme. And we're going to get into that more in a separate video. All right, so that's where that goes. Kind of an odd one, but, you know, maybe you've got some more things you want to say in a different way. You could style it a little differently. Product downloads. Now, if this happens to be an item that requires a download, then this is where you're going to upload your files, okay? Or select from existing files that are already there. And we're going to go into downloadable products later on. Product images. Well, so far we've got this one, and I'm not sure why this shows up twice in here. When we go to manage product images, you're going to notice there's a new tab added here that isn't in WordPress normally. And, you know, there's galleries right in WordPress. Well, this is a product image gallery from WP e-commerce. And these are all the ones that you've uploaded specifically for this product. All right, so you could add some more. And we'll talk about that in another video as well, adding more images. Now, there are plenty of other options we've got to cover here when adding products, and I'm going to do that in a separate video.